CP are a thief and Niah father a thief. It's one of a thief.
Just listen, Niah. Yeah, man. Fake friend, friend killer, and that.
Reasoning upon the saga between Skatta, Joe, Popcaan, and Chronicler.
Nobody has no link with none of them.
Okay.
I two of them alone.
But you asked me look why well Leonard, I'm telling you.
Me nah go back in the 2024, me say got that talk to you, never pine road. I say when you see the lad who left him alone.
Nobody has no link with none of them.
Okay.
I two of them alone.
But you asked me look why well Leonard, I'm telling you Leonard is in America. And where you say Leonard is in Jamaica.
So all of this, so yeah, say this is family.
You see you fuck up yourself, girl.
What? Oh, fuck up in what way? Fuck up in what?
You say he's in America.
Don't America me know him there the last time. Don't America me know him there the last time. Me and Leonard not deal right after Raji him.
Stop that lie, man.
Leonard is
lie, man.
Well, if you want,
Hold on. Me ask you something. Boy, I know one last thing.
Yeah.
Say, well, I don't know their family and so.
me not deal with them.
Now we have to sit on the outside, you that have suffered this blood clot. And some of you, me I tell you, even a rascal. Me not hold back this youth. We not grieving. Me to tell you the bomber clot, what not do to the family. We not damage the family more. I'm not telling you, like you cry out long time, youth. Jimmy Smash out this, I should know this moment, youth. That's why more time, me just see some woman, the amount of time when I crush me. Every time even the man come out and go on the live bridge, when I need no social media people and women saying this, the man come out just to say, yo, let me just explain, and the whole people I say, yo, I see that scrape in my scrape. How the fuck can we be scraping when we never ask a man if you get a sweet? Oh, when you sit down and loud man for the merchandise and the name of the youth illegally on the blood clot, sit down and watch it bomber ass clot youth and nobody does say nothing. Nobody does say CPI did you get authority if you do this blood clot. And me for telling you youth, yo, me say the internet is a killer. The internet no love no, so me just want you to know enough. The same knife for big goat stick sheep. Just bear that in on the blood clot, you know youth. Everybody have a family, everybody family can drop a member set.
You better be wise, don't fuck up your vibes. The girl let me read me Juna English revise.
Member say, stay out and say come and say go. The same man will reach out and say beg you something, he say suck your mother. Know that you would have been say me agree, dog. When I fuck up my family, you to not divide the family in the name of money, but we not ask you the far. We not bamba clat ask you the none, we are on the friend ask. No, we not ask you the friend for the money, you. When a friend take side with the blood clot, he might take side with the mother, and I do him thing, and who does watch it, and destroy the family, you.
Let it out, Alana, let him let it out, man.
Let him breathe.
When a friend listen to this blood clot. When a friend take side, you, and I fuck up the thing. When a friend take side with the mother, the baby blood clot mother, him take the man that, and have the man that has a pearl.
Well, let me say something to you real quick.
Social media, blood clot tweet. Blood clot, and the wicked and the man who kill Niah. First and foremost, people don't say the real Niah. How you finish the man blood clot father? This the man mother. They don't pre you, and not a reasoning.
Yo.
Not a reasoning, people.
One thing in my father, respect.
Not a reasoning, no man advise you, not a reasoning.
My father.
Give me some time on over.
No, you hear me say, I'm not got this, none of that.
Jump off, come now, no man respond, go suck the mama. No, even a
evil from you. Jump off. Don't tell the man to jump off and don't diss the man. I found just make the man respond, make the man deal with him pain. Don't diss the man. Just overstand the man. Attack the man, attack from him heart, man. Don't diss the man.
To the mic, the father say, we ask him to
Yeah, hear me?
Yeah.
The next one telling you in the bedroom. I'm telling you, son, a long time I'm telling you this, Yo, you see, CPR. Stop them jobs between me and the youth, they understand me. I tell you, the youth, yo, what you even do, I'm telling you, you see it, and the girl jump up and this and that, so she don't blood clam up, no, brother, I tell you, you see it, come and cut down, but you don't know, you see it, people who know me, I know me, live with my youth, them brother, they never come say this, brother, I tell you, so much things me tell you, something me I do for my youth, see my youth dead, I left my granddaughter, and see that, he look a place where he start, and me, I'm building down there right now, and me never sleep here for dollar yet, and me I take my life money out of my pocket, and me no, and me I sleep here, we read about this before me come to Jamaica, me say sleep here, right now, Niah dead, and we have to go run with him daughter, so me tell the man, me say me and you, me say, me say sleep here, and we have to go run with him daughter, and we have to go do it, me say sleep here, me have to go build Niah house, because I mean tell him say me go build it up, I mean tell him say me give him 20 grand to it, I mean can't make him that a back spot, and the man not even tell him things, so me talk to him even before they come to Jamaica, about that, much less he have beg money from him, and division never put into the whole of the 3 months we start, me I tell you, and right now the president not tell you, me there, no man, I'm not just driving, no man, I'm not telling you, so feel it in you.
Yo, just be careful like how you are talking to father.
Me feel it in a man, me I tell you,
Long time me I say this. And a long time me I say it.
Maybe send a request, because I can't see your moderator when I find fresh bread.
Share the live to him. Share the live.
Them same day in the live, but
This is Marcia, that made me corrupt.
Somebody got to come and get me out of this place.
Okay, another question, y'all.
the music, I mean, why you put out the...
Tell me when you want me to read it.
Alright, go on, girl, go on.
Marsha Mitchell asks if bread get program run on Niah, and I quote. I guess he's trying to say did they pre-bread to do what he did to Niah?
So Satan. So Leonard, alright, Leonard, I will find out Leonard are the man where go do the analyzing him and him friend him. Yeah, so what you know? Was it because him and Niah themselves have a problem together, or did someone pay him to take out Niah?
No, listen, Niah, it is said on the program when my son come, when Bobo was there at the day. When Niah would go up on my yard and Niah was looking Leonard's girlfriend. Because it said Niah people ask Niah and Leonard girlfriend in a Niah BMW down a Langsville about and go tell Leonard. So Leonard said have to kill Niah. So he motive when kill Niah for a girl, brother. Girl.
Him take for the youth life because the youth are bang a girl when I want him.
Yeah, because the youth are there with the young man. But if I kind and all these allegations are passed against you, Miss Marcia. You no come up and say nothing no go so.
Well, me, Marsha Mitchell, which most of the media knows, will tell you I will come out.
Thanks, love. I don't need to say no more. Because you see the person where hiding and I said Nikki and I said Ulvi said he played. Cushbred not hiding. Cushbred keep live every night because he say I forget justice for Niah because of the name they call. And all of the name when they call, the police let them go and I hunt for them now and them cannot be found.
Right, so I'm going to ask you a question now. So like the whole family, everybody knows say both family. We not say one family because we are realize there are two different family, yeah. So like how everybody know one, so Bobo knows Leonard do the analyzing as well then.
Because listen, make them cannot talk. Leonard have one police brother with all of them afraid. And you see anybody go to station with Leonard name, then get boom out and then house get bomb up and shoot up.
Okay, so this is why Bobo so judgy, because Bobo know who do it, but him afraid and can't talk.
He not talk out time out. He talk out time out. He say social media run with all like I call Wally pan name. All know they can't call the right name. So if you say a statement like that, don't mean to say you know the right name. Come on. Yes.
So guys, Bobo not have nothing to do with it, guys. You know?
Hear me? Grudgeful, envious. Them kill Niah when Niah did have nothing. Niah just take time and try to rise up and them kill him. For what? No, not kill him, wanna get nothing. Anything only that kill him for, I wanna say, wanna take. I wanna get that supposed to done. Yes, and if I something we have where a bad mind in it right now to all the media said and I talk about Niah thing that's supposed to have pressure on the brain. So we're supposed to actually go run mad. You see? So right now, let me tell you now, we're supposed to know that. You see? You kill a man, where you kill a man for? Where man you have? Tell me. Where man you have? A piece of car. A piece of car kill a man for where you have? Seat car in my yard. You don't go feed. Where you have? Nothing more. What? Tell me. I mean, you say give Niah money. Niah never give me money yet. You see? Who know around Niah when come me take out my money and go no to fi share. I say, yo, now hear me? Take this. This your fear, brethren. Because I love how I live. I whole how I live together and everything. So now me come here this and I come, I'm telling you this man, I'm telling you, I'm not to cry justice, brethren. I'm not to try to cry justice, yeah? I'm not to try, I'm not to pray on this. I want everybody in the chat where a prayer warrior, everybody who can share their lives and make anybody who knows about them in this thing. And I said, yeah, our Jesus, our God, we do go on the knee, and pray, go on the knee and pray about justice, man. Yeah, about justice in a brethren. Me I tell you, the last song me and Niah do together, I want song when you too much murder. That I last video me and Niah coming out. You see, yes, me and him do too much murder, and we do one campaign in Jamaica with it. To me come and see how young youth them are do them one another, brother. Because if you notice, all our youth them we are dead. They people know under 20, at 20, at 25, at 30. See, 32 probably at this right up, 25, 2017, and them are dead, brethren. And when me see out and me look into it and see it, me I say somebody have to try to put a stop to this, because this murdering thing and no pine finger thing and a few murder and a few murder. I all we murder, brethren. See, so me do a song when you too much murder and did I try advocate it round, right round in Jamaica. We did a campaign round and all of these things. I go we did get fight, but we still did a campaign. You see, yes, still did I do campaign. Me and whole heap of people, whole heap of young people. Me mean young girls, and the young girls they would arrange from like us about say. Some of them are probably about 14, 15-year-old. See, and me not think none of them pass. Probably about 30. Me not think nobody did have to pass 30. The oldest girl was I think about 30. You see, yes, she did run the campaign for me. See, when me left down there, so me left the campaign, I run and come here, so I still monitor them, still send me support to them, still make them get vehicle to move around, and we have a ride around Jamaica, and still I say too much murder, and the whole we are wearing with t-shirt, mark too much murder.
Yeah, go vice me opinion right now, people. I don't know when blam them talk at you. I'm gonna talk it through what really are going right now, people. I'm gonna talk me man right now. I'm gonna turn on all screen record because this is gonna go viral right now. I'm gonna turn this right now. To me see it right now. CPR a thief and Niah father a thief. It's one of a thief. It's one of a thief, people. It's one of them look money and clout off a Niah Niah Money. You see me people, especially CPR. CPR is number one thief. So people if you don't know a good phone, when you keep the money in a blood clot pocket, because you do blood clot phone. Because CPR is number one thief. Because why then can't unite, and I want pity them a fight over. I know that you know about yesterday. CPR a thief. If them a war for money, when I eat that people. Family Skatta tell you, anyway, money they are pledge, you see what if a jealousy and hater. So I'm going to tell you one thing right now. Too much corruption there. If you find Niah mother, Niah baby mother number, I'm going to give you one to your baby mother if you know a good phone. Because baby mother not rob a pitney. You don't give baby mother a pitney. You find the perfect opinion in. Alright, we don't start.
Yo, I can share the baby mother number again.
Alright, that more you do, because we peace. Alright. So right.
The situation at Freedom Street. No, Vybz Kartel was in prison for 13 years. 13 years work out about 113,880 hours, approximately, that's right? Since he came out, July 31st to December 31st, it's roughly about 3,672 hours. See? When you total between prison and release, you get about 117,550 hours thereabout. See? So we're going to run it to about 118,000 hours. See, we could just run it up to that. We're going to run 170,000. Yeah? For safety. Alright. So, Kartel, between prison and the time that he was released, it took him 117,000 hours, roughly, before he could perform on a stage. 117,000 hours before he had the opportunity to perform in front of an audience. Yeah? No. Popcaan, Gross with Skatta and Joe is that they held him out for 3
Me nah go back in the 2024, me say got that tactic, never find road, I say when you see the lad who left him alone.
hours before he could get into the venue. Same situation with Chronic Law. But when you really check it out, you see man where them are go for support. That man there over 117,000 hours passed before that man they could have see a stage, before that man they could have a perform in front of people. See, I look at 3 hours there, last another 117,000 hours there. You see me being aware of that, I'm go there, and I realize that there's a hold up or whatever the situation is, and 3 hours would have come like a minute to me, because I would be going there to support Vybz Kartel. And the joy that the people were having in the venue, never go up on the stage go tell them it's their mother. The joy me I go feel, you know, say somebody when me rate a perform after 117,000 hours, me nah go ask your mother on the stage. Me not care when nobody wants to say. Me not care who want justify it. No, never need thing name, time and place for everything under the sun. In life, some things just I tell you to slow down, In life, some hold up until we say, we just slow down. And we miss the mark, we miss the lesson, brethren. Brother Popcaan, Brother Chronic Law, 3 hours compared to 117,000 hours, brother. Enough people that grab that 3 hours right now, we pass off, You say a youth named Niah and a youth named Bossed would have take that 3 hours there right now and use it so wisely by telling them loved ones that, you know what, I won't be here in the next 3 hours. Niah right now would have like that 3 hours if you tell him that, I say, I love you. See, sometimes I just slow down, general. Yeah, man, don't be quick to anger. Don't be quick to violence. Yeah? Because here we go on, enough of the killy them around the island. you see them killy there, them go that dirt a man phone, you know, because them things a man violate, you know. But you see some of them killy there, when them go to prison, and pressure start reach them, and them start pressure you.
Me nah go back in the 2024, me say God that talk to you, devil on the road, I say when you see the lad who left him alone,